In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your chess.com account step by step. Whether you're taking a break from online chess, switching to a different platform, or you simply want to remove your account permanently, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process. The good news is that chess.com actually makes it pretty straightforward to close your account once you know where the option is located in the settings. I'll show you exactly where to click so you can do it in just a couple of minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to chess.com, then log into the account that you want to delete. Once you're logged in, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. When the settings menu appears, click on the option that says all settings. This will take you to the full settings dashboard where you can manage everything related to your chess.com account, including privacy, notifications, and account controls. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu with several different sections. From this list, click on the option labeled account. This section contains the core information about your profile and also includes the option to close your account. Once you're inside the account settings page, scroll down slowly until you find the section labeled Close Your Account. This section is usually near the bottom of the page, so you may need to scroll a bit to locate it. When you find it, you'll see a button that says Close Account. Click on that button to begin the account deletion process. Chess.com will now ask you to confirm that you really want to close your account. To continue, you'll need to enter your account password for security verification. This step helps ensure that only the account owner can delete the account. You may also see an optional feedback box where chess.com asks why you're leaving. This step is optional, so you can either leave feedback or skip it. After entering your password, look for the red Close Account button. Click that button to confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, your chess.com account will be closed and your profile will no longer be accessible. If you ever decide to come back to the platform in the future, you would need to create a new account. And that's all it takes to delete your chess.com account. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials that show you how to solve everyday tech problems quickly. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.